Now here we go. Now we will be going to this. I just took that particular class for the students. I gave them microdialogue V CISA. Now, can you see this? I think this is very, very clear, but there are more to it, and we will come to that one by one. Now, on the slide that you can see, children, I have given now the question numbers are terrible. So I have now the opportunity to change the question numbers because they are wrongly numbered. They are very wrongly numbered. Just give me a second. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then should come 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I don't know from where I got those alien numbers, but this is your 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Now, children, the question on microdialogue, if you people go through the model paper, which I hope that you people have gone through, even if you haven't gone through it, then please see to it that you go through them at the earliest. Now, when you go through the microdialogue, you will find that that is either one statement is given, or a question is given, or an answer is given. So if a statement is given, then you have to give a responding statement or a prior statement. If a question is given, you have to give an answer. If an answer is given, you have to give a question. That is what is microdialogue all about. What you have to provide is only one sentence. Okay, you read it or the question goes as microdialogue, but you don't have to give a dialogue. You have to just give one sentence. If there is one statement, you have to give a following statement. Okay, a responding statement. Okay, or it can be the statement is given, there must be a prior statement which called for this particular statement. So you can give that also. So microdialogue is nothing but one sentence answer. I want to make that point very clear at the onset. Right? Now these questions I have given as a question bank to the students, the other students in other section. I asked them that, I told them that please go through them and try to write the micro dialogues, and I'll give them the answers today. So today I have given them the answers and have discussed the micro dialogues as well. Let me do both the things together with you. Now this is the one which I have taken a print screen of only the questions as well, so that I can share with you people this, the only the print screen of this micro dialogue, and now you will be getting the answers as well. So little by little, huh? So here I make it a little smaller. What happened? Yeah. Now I'll have to think, I think I have to make it all the more smaller. Yes. Now I made it a little small so that I can manage the answers. So you can see here that there are answers of 7 questions here. Their answers, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 questions are answered here. So let's first discuss the answers of the questions. Now, as you can see here, excusez-moi was the question. So we, the answer, that means the following statement of this. So somebody says, excusez-moi, said we, yes. Comment je peux aider? So one of my students in the last class, she was telling that, ma'am, excusez-moi was also there in the first semester. So I said only we as an answer. Now in the first semester, if you give we as an answer, it is expected. It is fine. You are, nobody will cut your marks. But if in second semester, for excusez-moi, if you just give the answer as we, that is not sufficient, children. So you have to say we, that is yes. Comment, how, je peux aider, I can help. You can tell me, ma'am, if we just forget what to write next. So you can say we, and you don't have any other option. You just have to write we and stop it there. Okay? Or you can also say You can also say, can you read this by chance? All of you, can you read what I have written in yellow here? We, sun, fair here. Now I have a problem with my we as well. Many children read it as Q. 1 minute. We, sun, fair here. Can you read it, ma? C with a sadil, then N-E, N, then F-A-I-T, then R-I-E-N. Can you read that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, thank you so much, Rashi. So we Sanferia, yes, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Excusez-moi. We Sanferia. You can give the answer this also. It didn't strike me that time. They were actually looking for an easier answer, but I didn't give them. So this can be the answer as well. This one is a little bigger. How I can help, or we Sanferia. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now, then, merci beaucoup. Now, for merci beaucoup, I think by now, we know what should be the answer. Je vous en prie. Or sun fair here, that it doesn't matter as I have written it here, sun fair here. Or der here. Any of these three can be written for merci beaucoup. Any of this, any one of these. Don't write all the answers, only one. Merci beaucoup, je vous en prie. Merci beaucoup, sun fair here. Merci beaucoup, or nobody says merci beaucoup. Merci, der here. Der here is very, very informal, colloquial. Okay? Merci, der here. Nothing. Come to the third one. Tu es gentil. What is tu es gentil? You are kind. Somebody tells you tu es gentil, tu es sympa. So what do you say? Merci beaucoup. Thank you. Gentil is you are kind. So sympa means you are nice. So merci beaucoup. Now see the next answer. It's important. Oui, je vais au bureau. That is, yes, I am going to the office, or I go to the office. Now, when answer is I go to the office, the question should be, you are going to the office, right? Now, immediately what comes in your mind is you go to the office. But you can't write this statement as a question, right? So how to frame the question? Est-ce que add kar do? Est-ce que vous allez au bureau? And give a question mark. And give a question mark. That's, you get the answer. Now, if anybody who can, retain that, okay, fine. If I don't give est-ce que, I can also give inversion. So I can write allez-vous au bureau. If you are happy with it, if you are comfortable in remembering this structure of inversion, go on with inversion. If you are comfortable in remembering est-ce que, then go on with est-ce que. Got the point? But you have to frame a question and give a question mark. Now then come to the fifth one. Question is, no, je n'aime pas boire le café. No, I don't like to drink coffee. Now, when the answer is, I don't like to drink coffee, the question must have been, do you like to drink coffee? So, do you? So, first is, you like to drink coffee. Then the answer, then the question for formation is, est-ce que vous aimez boire le café? Is it that you like to drink coffee? Or if you are comfortable in giving inversion, aimez-vous boire le café? Okay. Now, that is the answer. So, answer can be est-ce que. This is also will fetch you marks. This is also will fetch equal marks. This one will also fetch you, other than the marks, it will also score on your, the opinion that the examiner has about you. That also makes a lot of difference also. Okay. I think all of you people are aware of it. Now, come to the sixth answer. Sixth micro dialogue. See how it is written. C, j'ai un ordinateur portable. C means yes. But this yes is not same as this we. What is the difference between the two? You use C for a negative question. If I ask you a question like, vous n'êtes pas indien, you are not Indian, what you are going to give the answer? Yes, of course I am. Won't you give the answer like that? So, the answer is C. Je suis Indien or je suis Indien. So, yes, I am Indian, right? So, when the question is asked in negation and the answer is given in affirmation, then you have to use C. So when you get this C in the sentence given for microdialogue, immediately it should strike in your mind, okay, the question should be in negative form. Now, the answer is given with, I have a portable computer. That means I have a laptop. So I have a laptop. So question should be, don't you have a laptop? So you don't have a laptop. First of all, you write that. Vous n'avez pas d'ordinateur portable. Actually, here it's the means the apostrophe because you have O here. So, vous n'avez pas d'ordinateur portable. Add one S with it. Don't even go for writing it in inversion. I can give you an inversion, but don't go for inversion if you have a statement given in negation. You are not prepared for it yet. You're still too young to take it in. So, est-ce que vous n'avez pas d'ordinateur portable? Is it that you don't have a laptop? Now, if you give the question like this, if you give the answer like this, any examiner will be extremely happy. You don't have to impress the examiner by using inversion here. No, nothing. Est-ce que is fine. Go to the next one. J'ai acheté 6 romans français. I bought, I purchased, I bought, passé composé. 6 romans français. 6 French novels. I bought 6 French novels. Now, this is the answer. I missed it something. Sorry. I missed this one, children. Sorry. Comment est ton portable? How is your mobile? How is your mobile? In the sense, it's not that mobile is sick or mobile is doing well. But the thing is, how is it? It is good, it is bad, it is beautiful, it is red, it is white, it's black, it's costly, it's not costly, whatever it is. So here we go. Now see the answer. Mon portable est. Now what are the answers, possible answers that you can give? You can say mon portable est rouge, or you can say mon portable est beau, B-E-A-U. You can say mon portable est, and then you can write rouge as an answer, or any other color. Why rouge? Red, you can write bleu, you can write vert, you can write jaune, you can write any color. Okay, that will be describing, because moment a person asks you with a question with comment, they ask for a description. Description doesn't mean a long description. One adjective is enough. So you can say mon portable est rouge. You can say mon portable est grand, big. You can say petit. You can say, for example, more than, it's a modern phone. Or you can say, what are the one I gave? I gave the word share. Share means costly, C-H-E-R, share. Mon portable est cher. My phone is very costly. So any of these answers you can give. Okay. Now this we come to the 7th question. That is this one, the last one here. Now I will be again making it smaller. Here we go with the rest part of the answers. Now see, for that what I have done is, because it will be difficult for you to see the picture, here I have the questions. Okay, so 7th one, see, don't go by the numbers, because these numbers are numbering. Your teacher has given a horrible numbering here. So till 7th one is fine. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, this is the 7th one. Comment est ton portable? 8th one is j'ai acheté 6 romans français. See the sentence given. I purchased 6 French novels. We have to take care of 2 things here, children. Please make a note of 2 things. One is the verb is given in past tense. And the other one is that they have given a number. They have given a number, 6. So what should be the question like? The question should be that, see the 8th question here. How many French novels did you buy? How many French novels did you buy? Now, when you are writing this answer, children, prior to that, let me show you something. 1 minute, huh? Yeah. Take a print screen of this. OU is where, Co is when, Kuma is how that we were discussing, Combia is how much or how many, Pourquoi is why. Now, if question is given with pourquoi, we expect the answer to be given with parce que, which means because. Parce que means because. Okay. Now, qui means who, que or qu'est-ce que means what. Okay. Now, these are the elements which will help you to identify the question if it is given in a question form, or it will help you to give the answer if it is given in the answer form. Now, anywhere in the micro dialogue, if place is mentioned, then you will be using ou. Anywhere if it is given by, if it is given, time is given. Anywhere, time is mentioned. When? Description. Description in the sense, when moment I say description from the English point of view, you think a huge description. No. Any kind of description in the sense, usage of any adjective. Any adjective. Color, big, small, and then good, bad, whatever. How? Number mentioned, how much or how many. Reason given by parce que, that is because, parce que. Okay, because, that is, you have to give the reason is given by parce que, you have to question with why. If question is given with why, you have to give the reason by parce que. They might not give you at this stage pourquoi, but I want my children to be ready with everything, because we don't know. If by chance the paper comes, you should not be in dark. That's what. Now, this is what you have come across quite a few times. Quel is which. Basic meaning of quel is which day or which color. See, why I have given this? Because this is masculine singular. This is feminine singular. This is masculine plural. This is feminine plural. See, with the kind of noun that you are using, if you are using a masculine singular noun, you will use quel. If you are using a feminine singular noun, you will use this one. If it is a masculine plural noun, you will use this and this. Okay? And you have used this also. For example, quel jour. If it is quel jour, singular jour, then it is quel jour. Okay? If it is many days, they are asking quel jour, then it will be queuels. Quelle couleur or quelle fille, quelle femme, any kind of which lady, which girl, quelle femme, quelle fille, quelle couleur, couleur is also feminine, or quelle table, which table. Now, whenever you are using the feminine singular nouns, you will be using, sorry. Okay. Now, that's what with quel. Now, QUI is for who and que is for what. Fine. So, that's what I was trying to tell you people when I was doing this particular micro dialogue. Now, here see the answer. Combien de romans français vous avez acheté? How many French novels? How many? Combien de romans français? How many French novels? Vous avez acheté. Why I have written it in past tense? Because the question was in past tense. J'ai acheté. So naturally it will be vous avez acheté. I have given one inversion here also. I have told the inversion technique here that the inversion should be in between the pronoun and the auxiliary. If you feel it is difficult, leave it. You directly write vous avez acheté. It's absolutely fine. Now from this 9th question, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, we will discuss it tomorrow and continue with other questions as well. Okay? And by tomorrow class when you come, please all of you people, it's a request from my part, watch the video which is uploaded in GCR, which the name is that discussion of the model paper, SEE model paper, discussion of that. Watch that. I will quit the page.